Hello everyone. I'm still troubleshooting with our power supply board for the television, 60 inches Sony Bravia. I've checked it because the fuse was always blown. I have some doubt with the bridge rectifier, that's why I remove it. But when I check it, it was good. And also the MOSFET are all good. Some of the diode, then capacitor are all good. But when I'm doing some continuity test, I found out that one of the diode is defective. I already checked some of these components, but this diodes is already defective. When I check it, it was shorted, and also the reading was already degradation. I'll show it to you. Now our testers will reset in the diode mode. Okay, I'll show it to you as possible. The reading is only 185. Then if I'm going to reverse, you will see. So there is a reading. If I will make it in continuity test, there is it is shorted. You see, it must not have, it should not be shorted. I will show it to you from some other. The other diode is not shorted. You see, it's not some of the diodes. All are good. Only this diode has problem. So now I'm going to replace this diode. Okay guys, see you in my next video.